Merge sort is the classic O of n log n algorithm. Two things make it that way: how many times the array gets split and how much work happens per level of splitting. The base case. If L is greater than or equal to OR, we have one element or fewer, O of 1. This line runs once per leaf of the recursion tree. One arithmetic expression, compute the midpoint, always exactly one operation, O of 1. Two recursive calls, each on half the array. After k splits, there are 2 to the power, k subarrays. The recursion bottoms out when size hits 1. Solving gives k equals log base 2 of n. The recursion tree is log n levels deep. The merge step combines two sorted halves by touching every element exactly once. At each level of the tree, all merges together process exactly n elements. O of n total work per level. Put it together, log n levels. At each level, O of n merge work, multiply n log n. Final complexity O of n log n.